Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Welcome. Okay, today we are going to continue the class. Last class you people have understood about growth, which after the definition, after the explanation, we have concluded that it is a non-defining character. Right? Now let us have this one, defining character, defining characters, and let us write down here non-defining character. Okay, growth we have added in here. Let us make it as growth is a non-defining character. Okay, let us wipe it up. Then let us start with another character. Let us start with the reproduction. Okay, let us understand whether this character, reproduction, whether it will be a defining character of a living organism or not. What is the definition of the reproduction? It's a simple one, like production of offsprings by the involvement of single parent or both the parents. Okay, this is the simple definition of reproduction. Now all the animals will undergo reproduction, right? All the animals perform reproduction. Why all the animals perform reproduction? To continue their progeny, to continue the generation, right? To continue the generation of particular species, right? That's why all the animals perform reproduction. Now when it comes to reproduction, when it comes to the honeybees, here only the queen bee, right? Queen bee has the capability of producing eggs. Then what about the working bees here? Working bees, which are also female, but they won't produce egg, not produce eggs. Then whether the working bee is not a living being, it's a living being, right? Then another example, mule is an offspring formed by combination of donkey and horse. This mule also not produce babies. Okay, now mule is not a living organism. It is a living organism only, right? Now another example. The human couple, when they don't have, when they are not able to, right, when they are not able to produce babies due to some medical conditions, due to some medical problems, and they won't produce the babies, whether they are not considered as living. They are living only. But due to some medical problems, they are not able to produce the babies. Now, whether we consider the reproduction as a defining, whether it will define the living organism, whether the reproduction defines a living organism, no, right? Then we can say reproduction is also a non-defining character. Okay, then let us move on to another character, another feature. Third feature, metabolism. What is meant by metabolism? All the chemical reactions happens in the living cell, comes under, or it is called as metabolism. It is of two types, catabolism and anabolism. Okay, let us take this character. Let us understand whether this character will be a defining character or a non-defining character. Right? Now, all the chemical reactions which happens in the living cell, we'll call that as a metabolism. Whether chemical reactions would not happen outside the living cell, it will happen. The chemical reactions will happen outside the cells also, but they are not comes under the metabolism. They comes under some kind of just the laboratory chemical reactions which takes place in the test tubes. Right? Then the metabolism only happens in the living cell. It won't happen outside the cells. Right? Then what do we call now? This metabolism is considered as the defining character of living organism. Metabolism. Okay, so the metabolism is considered as the defining character of living organisms. Then number 4, let us understand about the next character, that is response to surroundings or consciousness. Consciousness, right? Now, whether non-living beings respond to surroundings, right? Whether the table respond to the surrounding? No, perfectly no.